transformations. We transform ourselves to transform people. Abisama church will be a benimso nyankopon adaro manti mu nyina no obi a eho ye. Nyankopon adaro ma so me ho ye pa. DNA Tuesday, 1st of June 2021. Menemo kasa ya che. Dan say na so hia sa to kwaya because she sumiani a week and then be drain right. Now I hope say obia ehun eye. Pato afia na wo ba ha na wa share video no. Why? Share this video, invite your friends. You can even tag some friends. Sarah, at the same time, I already do somewhere. If your boy is here, I can see Ruth here. Said Bear Mensa, I can see you. Barakiso Poku. Thank you. But share the video today. But I'm going to go check. Na and that as someone person can say, if you have not been a daughter or a son of poor parents, then you have not seen it all yet. To ever still not for study. You just have to be careful. If you have not, or you were not a child of poor parents, I am telling you, sir, you've not seen it all yet. And then because you're being a very beautiful one, and I hope they bring any but do more Bahama, or maybe tea the person okay. But before I shall say, you see a new group B on say Facebook. Your page to say the make us a washi. Transformation see a new page. Admin some quantity to be post to a so. And into when you admin, what you can do is obey me a comment, but when to me post one cast will feelings and it be enter. Transformation got down Gianna, me personal page and also Dinia Gianna Chuck Das. And we have a personal page. And watching me one another page be a say the English studies and here Seekers of the Truth. Seekers of the Truth. When you know your pages are so you'll be all following me a child. May you posting and a I may post to all the 3 pages in England. But the Abraham says some of the members and animal concerns be and there's on few things be a person. Gamode and share. But they are not a little bit difficult. And on the pages, you know, I am interactive. Interactive. I don't know. Create a Friends of Transformation 108. Okay? Friends of Transformation 108. And no, a group. Group no while bet me up post 2 feelings. Every hour question be I'll bet me up post 2 at all. Every episode be said be I'll bet me at all. No matter you have my chere. Ubisa. Na other members o munim no muti ba basa how post na say na o ma be answer. Okay? Nti anu ye group say members o munim na obi abetimi post obi abetimi post o be a very wonderful place. Ye ti ye nche nipa wo so no ye 2.2k am say ye got 3,000 this year. To obi bia na we transformation member wunya join Friends of Transformation 108 no. Me pa go now and then Okona say what's a chair now join here. You will be allowed because a close group you know won't even join it and look how be join it. What type of Friends of Transformation 108 about won't join or when I click join no. Like I said, wait until you be accepted. You know, you better accept it. You accept it what now what join it. On that platform no me pa chow ube to me actually feelings be our ade bia na transformation ho question be na wo e bia bibi na ma kire a e bia we refia wo be bisa question wo ha at times na me wo ha me answer questions so answer na your senior members be wo ha they been around for a very long time and the normal man church ni na no some of them omonim nti wo bisa question na me kwa me answer wa some of these great guys around they will come and then answer you nti a group are very interactive nti okoha the first thing they say we join here obe send you picture obe send you din and so we group no ma transformation group ben na almost be am US platform number 51 and I be am Accra and am Kumasi with your picture with your name Now members will be there and they will like the page. Some will comment under it. It's a very good thing. Some few days back, yeah, may I be the guy post na me so obi bia sending the din on fire the picture and come one baby or war the group of to wonder any member na picture ebenya more likes no first second third no you bet you free silver pendant and into idea shall same thing about 3 days if ye Sunday no na Sunday until nipa me ensa and I winning or more winning free silver pendant. You know the pendant is very expensive. So number 1, number 2, number 3 will be a free silver pendant. I'm so contact Ferry bear arranging now on Saka pendant. So Friends of Transformation 108 in a very interactive page. I mean a group. Open to me. You can be there, but as I will join the group, and you like say they like you, over join it. Maybe let me find children who the way a page and I got here. They are not over joining. Ubi I say that here. Almost a transformation. Friends of Transformation 108. Okay? Friends of Transformation 108. So say that here. The CM no can say no. You will nipa 2.2k. I didn't know Okona Koko joining who said you will nipa 2.2k. That's 2,200 members now. So you go there and join the family. Do kwa Okoha ha join or ha. Do click join now. Obey to me, I'll join. Like I said, very interactive. You can write your comments there. Or question be obey to me, I'll post to her. Ebi ade bi na opese unya more clarification I will post to her. So me my answer. Your other members who are they are always there or more answer question. Ebi na they will be say no one in who. So it's a very nice message. Say go there and then join the transformation. Friends of Transformation 108. Me so kwa go there. You need partner you want to see a 2.2k. When the scammers are banning frosted there and so more or when you be busy apartments they'll come and create something like that. To see I say you 2.2k. To quote say Friends of Transformation 108 nipe women more than 2,000 and sign away then. Why join it? A very interactive platform, so join it now. Mami Hokas be my joining to see a drink quickly. I sent you before class and met to us so now my me and discussion. I mean, say a bit my joining and I'm add and this already see I say 4 members join, 4 member requests. Then member request was here 19. Okay, member 2. I'll just go here because I say I will accept all of you and then I confirm. So all of them have been accepted. Until you just go there, Friends of Transformation 108. Join from there. Many alerts and our ferris rabbit to me now. You add to the group. A group until no son of pa. Ubeti me akwa kwa inspirational message be our pay. ABRDB and our person the 2 members in who you can just go and drop it there. By honor your politics of ho. A day at them did all those things in the ho. What you do is say I did be an say akwaba. A far transformation whom I did for inspiration whom I did a 2 for I did encouraging in piano. Ubeti media to ho. A very interactive platform, a group. You know, Obi post me be when you go there, comment on that and whatever. Never when you're very lively. Obey to me, so I invite you on number 4. Okay. Obey to me, I invite you on number 4. Okoha invite, make my invite on number 4. It's a very good platform or page to make us be behind the corner encore and joining. Friends of Transformation 108. Friends of Transformation 108. If I told you anything here, you will need more than 2,000, 2.2k. So when you say, Obi eco creative be fake biana, the panel was an answer. You know, Facebook will be able to get your pay. So go there and then join Transformation, Friends of Transformation 108. That's it. I will say that, but I mean, we didn't be very important. Now, and command say, Abrawa, we are saying in some way, Nina, your pet. All these 5 fingers are not equal. And suddenly we now and your pet. And you know, say you must say, Obi who a pa. Now said you'll be so one your far. More money, mamma. You must be what 10. na obi si eti a mama no nye mama yehu so obi adwemu dɔ pa ye o nyansa na adwemu dɔ na sɛ bi obi so adwen na agu tse nkuto a mama no nye mama sɛ yehu sɛ obi owo sika ohu do sika ye na yehu so obi so sɛ bi ɔte hia buburu mu a mama no nye mama fi sɛ ensa tie numi ni nyina enye pɛ na emom ne kra ba ko ne sɛ wo ye obi a ye wo tu sikam wo ye obi a o maame no papa ne wabusuafo no sɛ bi no omo wo sika nti ye wo tu mu no anige nko a da onyame ase na hwɛ wanim sɛ baabi a wo kɔ no sɛn ene bɛyɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ saa tɔtee because me ka ye mu binom ye wo ye to abusua na sika nim ye mu binom ye wo ye to akurase eya na ye mfere se beka na because you see baby a wo free no matter, it doesn't matter so much where you are coming from, doesn't matter so much, but where you are now and where you are heading towards, and that's the most important thing. So ye mu binom ye wo ye to akurase, and we are proud to say that because amaye suahunu amaye suade a mo aye wo mutu kuromu preko pa mo no e bia mo nko akurase da no enoma mo nim no I mean enoma ye nim no mo nim see ade bia mu no ye advantage and ye disadvantages obi bia ye wo kurom na wo nko akurase da kurom na watena from nkora brema kopem se wanyi yeah ye wo ye to akurase na ade ye nim no wo nim bi na emom de wo nim wo kurom no enei yesu ya behu bia ye betimo ne waka ho asem ya wo to sikam ana papa na maame anya no se ko pesti ura bata so ko pesti ntem na na ama breakfast you can make a nice cocoa bean no ma na da man wadi ana porridge bi na something nice with bread be beautiful no wadi o be go school na ye enter wo school bag abo wati wa sha mpaboa you are looking so nice e bi go school car be na bonto na wa trempan na wo ko se ye school na de ko ai bia papa ana maame e le betu di wako ana se e bi kura ye was special driver on the go school o ko school a o ko no kura na ya sai ma wo lunch box kura bia na etam nya bia na ketwa na wi agba wa sai ya bibi na wadi fine over pound na car si wa e de wo ba fie ana o school car na watenem no ba fie ana mommy ana daddy ba fa ho no de wo ba fie edu weekend I say bia mo ko beach mo ko baby na ma traka mu mo ko so family gathering bi na mo ko anije wo da mu kura wo da no kwa wo da mu wo nice bed wo da mu po wo television wo akraketo wo because make you computer and laptop you di agro mo living room TV ke se bo ho edu anyimre obi abetena ho da kan newspaper na obi aso hwe no ma na no me ko so bi aboko se sana wo abra bo ye ya I am telling you have not seen it all yet unya huni nyina nwie ye se say na wo abra bo te a say ya wo no na bibia you so nice wo no what self contain mu o papa no ma me na ebusuafo nko na wo fie ho okay mo sorry ensuo mu fie wa na ensuo wo say doom lighter ya so generator everything is going on so nicely in that house sa na wo no wa bra bo te sa na wa sha se na te a I am just here to tell you say you have not seen it all yet because me no okay some of us baby ye fi abusia ye wo ye tu mu your parents no baby you don't have any idea tell me say so what young one to him na obusia fo nyina na o ma sha da so na bibia e ko yi a wonya hu ni nyina nwie ye you have not seen it all yet sepa wo ye papa na wada na hemate be 3 AM na wani ate na wo emame ensa wo ho anopa no about 6-7 esem kura ne ko school na papa no ka presei a to kudam eni hubotom sa nkura no anopa de echi 6 abese 3 na wada no bani ate no the next 3-4 hours no o man be kasa o mu ko school kapra to krodam ebi ni ho eno nti koko pa wo beto ama enkura na bi anopa no koko ema mu de ko school no sa koko ni sika kura wonni ebi mpa anadwo no adiane amudi na anadwo no ansomo na waka se wu jabi kura ho na ndapa no nkona dia ko school nti no wono 3 hours time 4 hours time no enkura na dia no medi anto no moko school no you don't have it ti wani ati a woda ho na ndapa no that's the time I take our plan B hwe wo da ho na wo dwen anopei den na me mama ensan bedi anto no moko school we are making enkura no omo school mpapo akura no atete o wunni sika wo de ya ma mpapo no ayeyi a enkura no be ko school and ko le nya problem say de baba na atete na omo che na sa banko ebi mpa making omo school ntade no eto akura atete atade no moto mate no de kwa nya problem na wo dwen won say the next 3 or 4 hours na ade ba be che no then na nkura ni bedi na omotinya ko school anopa ebia na wonim ade achi anopa dum pa enkura no omukọ bathroom so omukọ dware a semina omode beto omusa ko madware no semina na sem me say ade achi anopa ebia mu fi okura no mu ni pipe ho kromo ne bia nsuo ni ya pompi di bia ana nsuo ana ya sa ezu tene a early in the morning papa maame no ebekọ nsuo ho akosa nsuo ni bi akopompi nsuo ni bi aba na samina kora na nkra ne beto omo sapo ma dware anopa na ko school no samina ni ho boze na mkwancha wo bia make sense ndo ko ba bia na o ma hwa there is no soap samina ni ho na town pa omode papa omo ofi ho no ubekom na papa no ebia ne singlet bia aye old ebia maame no na tade bia ye cotton bia aye old no ena what team say what team atade no ya team nti anopa no sa tade no ya team no eno na akra no be dware apopa no ho antara ko school eno te papa no yere no omo yemienu enkra me saka ho num sa di pa num no omo ti fie ho no ya tade na aye old na ya team no eno na ya towela anopa no mode ba papa mo ho e wo dwae ena make us uko dware no bonu samina na kwede bi ni ho samina ti uba mu say first na you say no say don't touch me ana azuma twede samina bi din entimi mahuro say so a e ba huro e yaketwa entimi mahuro nti uba ha bi ana say asame don't touch me ni bi ana azuma punch no akaketwa bi da ho eno na be hyem ubetwia ahuru emma me say ahuru emma ena wo ade fe na boxer pint wo ni bi o papa na gwa no ni bi say na wo aka na be boxer pint na na taade bi o ma hye wo fie wo na aye old no na ya ti ataade num eno na ya tawo na wo ni be dware azuma bro eno na ge di dware o ututwia emaguro na wonim nyame ye badom na nkwa ni dware wie na omuko school bi ka mekai wo se monko awia ba no ba bedidi nti nkwa ni ko school no enya ade omu bedidi omeko empty stomach nti omuko no ebi omena mfufo bi omena nkwan so omuko na bia wato emu na eguro bom na afe no enu bi na so pa afe wato mu ene ade guro bom na wateto na afe ko ne bia no nyisa akra wono enu bi na wo pa no adi na wo kokko tena school mu ha anopa na amanfo anya banku adi ebinum anum tea ne nkro ne ba no wono adiani bia ntowuyam nti yete wa ya kira ade ni nyina no papa say ye ma break ya brafie na bedidi ye ma break ya brafie na mdi akro no wo be 8 years 9 years 10 years no o te classroom ho no a empty stomach. Only the na ebi sukura ohana time na why bibia wie na wo go so late no obɛhɛ na maame ɔmo de banchi bi tu jam ana ɔmo de mankai bi tu jam na ɔmo aku no se no ɔmo de ama wudi mi ka go so nyane na wudi no kwan so na wo unya duru assembly hona say time kwan na de mankai na hye obotom ana banchi na hye obotom ti ye nya assembly honi nyina no wo ye say yenye ne ntem na what ma ko di o mankai ana o banchi na what na classroom hoda yama breaker wudi mirika ba fie papa no ngese bia na pa no owo bibi esi ne se bia by break no nya aduane o check say e bi kwa me ka obetu mirika ko nwire ma ko pe banchi bi aba ba jampese bi ni nkuruma bi asi wo tie ni ye ana fa na baba say o mun go school break time mo bedidi no that's by 10:30 engese bia aduane bi si ho aduane si ho ye mu bi frachiri o ye frachiri ene na bibia no ye na ye kai a na ye de aseda ma nyankopon ye kai a na ye de aseda ma nyame dikakra bi ekura ye no we want to share with others because ye nim say the pain atie ye nim say the problems atie ye nim say the come deal na munya de ani ni a ye nim say the tie ene ti no ye mu obi hu kire no a na de wo bia na ye mani pa say ye wo bi boro so ye ni bi na emum ya famuda and the papa no say the banner about 12 and I about 10 break o medi no papa no ne bi asifie ho oni bi na bia amunya pom na de anu ko school na obetu nika akofitire ho e bia obi garden bia wo na afu bia da ho no ana amfufun bia wo no akwa hwe bia na banchi bi hwem na watu bi otu banchi bi bia bika banchi anya papa oba na oba no ana bi watete nkuma bi okwa mu ho na waye nkuma still bi bibi a ngokura ngu so anwa bi ani so something that doesn't look like a dire nipa da sanity na mama break na mako fie amanfo ekoto mu wache ene omomo because ya man sika crash the bottom odidi wo fie ya sayan man sika say o kosu a on to aduane na woni wono wo kwa da po anidi na wiare so kura bona aduane bi na obeto ntini wo di mirika wo ko fie say o baba say break time bra fie o ma me so ani abere bi ka mekan aduma bi anhye na ni ho okay na wo kwa bancha mpese bi ya boni nkruma bi abi ka mekan enchine kwa hye da nim ye because enchine ni fie ho eno na betena se edi na wodi wi a wodi mirika akosuku mu ho awia na obepon ba fie no na wo ma me no papa ni ho de se opon a brafuom na bedidi tie ni e se wo pon a brafuom na bedidi na wodi mirika akwafuom ho akwakodidi na wo ba fie a wo ma me na wo papa atwitwa eja o metwitwa eja e de asoa ejao na eja na wo de ba no wo ba beton e bi kwa be se 2 series bi na benya eja na mu dududu enti omo ye banku ne kokonte ne mo anopa no saa gofo no e na ma beto wuja no e bi kwa de kwa se oja de kwa me bebiri oni mempe o me oja wo ho a wo so do ni agu se eja na omo ta e na ade a che no pa wo ma me benya bi atini ato bi anu omo madi oba ni ba ni eja na kwa me obi di mi hia eja na ade akia no bampo na se bibi wo ho kakra o ma me no odi nsu asi gas no enye nsu se gas so na si o enye chako ko pot po so na si eja nka se ya bia epunu bi sie mu na waso nti efi ho no bi sie saa ewu ma ja na nsu akobutu ho akohum o trate nsu ni ba ya hye no nya bi adware hwa me se wo na wo nya akora o papa ne o maame ahi omo a unya hu ni nyina nwie ye until whatever situation you find yourself no nyabotre na fa study because a binum of difficulties mu a you don't have any idea papa wa sorry anopa ne ba ho aye hyehyehye ne ba ho aye hye onim se ne ba no wonya fever na wonya malaria na da ho onim asa wodi na kwa asa na ba iso nti apo na fa ne ko hospital ko to aduro mane kasa papa no onimo na onim se ne baye otiwei ne ho ya ya hye no ohia duro ana onfa ne hospital papa no onkura kapre onkura 1 cedi a obeka se mpo o de drug store na wakasa me ba ne ho ase me papa me ba no onni 1 cedi woni botom so insti se o de me drug store no ubonze na ya bonus onyi no se be akwa ne ho bebeko ana the friend dey hu no ho papa ni mbe fe se ne ba no situation no oyare onye okay se wo go pie so aka tell friend go hospital onim drug store onim pharmacy shop na mom onni kapre nti akwa no oyare no bia be 10 50 12 years no odana ne ho wo so saa na ne papa no okọ up and down aduro ni ho sika eni ho obeto aduro ama ne ba no na make akura so onya aduro ni kura bi se bia obi kura che na aduro se fama aba no a akwa na po onya ni di ye ebeye de ne wanu aduro abra oni di ye aduani ni fio ye kan say ya obeka say story obeka say a story enya nan se ba ya kire obuku bi mu ye mu bi ya bra ba ye fa mu no wono wando emfichi pa ansa na wodi tie wo school fees da but onya share the video why so onya share video na share the video you can invite your friends and I say your new group I work and your page a group the friends of transformation 108 you can put your own comment there wait me post to there or a very interactive platform you didn't come or every question be how no o trade to our members of kind they will answer oko antem na na post picture nice picture of yours baby kwa within yana baby kwa we a member of transformation at that tour members will come over there and then they will like your picture, they will ask you questions and whatever it is. They see an oko Facebook now type friends of transformation 108 and no one like you be join it o join it you be accept it now be come to see our type friends of transformation 108 media make any 2,200 members this year on the Facebook go frost at omodoso obi kura be for create the DM before be join no when say nipa woman more than 2,000 okay and then date 1st June okay 2021 the maybe a later wo share dey we maybe after 6-7 months time number no enye 2002 view as time goes on better actually mo na ma update mo numbers to do e go say be go join any other fake group there so I say the American say some of us you find difficult to simuda na the American say many of you guys are more abrochirempo no de mo fa mo ani ansa nyankopon adomadu ba bia maduru nei ti hwe ye na wo ma yire mfi ba bia wo fi a wo ba bia wo fi a wo ba na ma wo yire mfi se de be ya wo so bi e wo ha wo na wo boa no a na wo mu de we tie when one is in need of food when one is in need of some peanuts bia o de ba boa no ma na kwa animu a de we tie no se wo o kai wo pastor se wo boa wo bia ne ho a kire no a e ha no so okay ba bia na biribi wo ba bia wo fi obedu ba bia wo ya so obi ho kire na wo boa no a and how because ya say accommodate na woni any source of ayi bia benya duani bia di minimum crofobia ade a chia no pa omukọ twa ba ba bia obi wo no fufuo okwa se me pa metwa mo ma me go fufuo ni bi na mo ntwa bi na me ndi e bi kwa na omo obi a wo fufuo da se o ye obi ho ba wa ma so no mo me ngo ba ko na mo ma me kakra bi na me ndi unhu bi da o unya hu ni nyina nwie ebi sori ana papa na okonwirem okochinchin akope eja na eja no timia bi abeze 3 yi no wade kire obaso ani nyina begu fie na wakope obi obeto sa eja no sika kakra no na ebi o de be ba school e make wo ma me no papa no mo so bu wa no wa mfa we ni nyina bia mu e make water compound house da compound house a wo ma me no papa ene be nkura me ensa mu nyina mo one single room efie ho no toilet bi ani fie ho efie ho no adwaye no emfikyire ho ne abobo mpantampa bi asi wa obi adwari na me kan that time light ni ho na ahugro wom na dan keto na nipa be se gudan minia unya hu ni nyina nwie some people have gone through it they've gone through the mill to say ahun so obi edi o kwan bi so a hwɛ na wama wani amre nipa no woni ba bi nipa ni free a oba me say minimo bi a omo aduane omo di no eye banku ketewa bi eye banku ketewa bi na maame na kan esofiofo bi adi ti do baye se makwa obepia ye ayi omo di no na o makona no ye den makona no ye den a wudi banku kakra bia na onum su na onum su nti banku ketewa no eno na obi bia ofi obedi na wudi na onum su nti wudi ba se 4 pa ensuo na abanum ahyebofu ye okay abusia amanfo bi no ma fa difficulties mu se wono ye sikani bi ba wono abusia ye wono sika wom na wan fa bibi se emu ahu you have not seen it all yet amanfo bi afa difficulties mu na me ebo mpa ya kan kire wo se obi bia na wafa obi mu da ba bia waduru no hwe yiye na wa ma wo yire mfi ba bia wo fi a wo ba no sabe be ya wo so obi hu kire no a wo ba boa no kai bibia na wona ma na komedi wa na wo kosko na wonya didi na asoahia ba sika ni ho wo kosko no ma me kura ma wo sika sakwato amia bi ko oni sika ni bi o se ko na break time ba bedidi wona mkwa ho na wo se mkura bi na omo kokwa school because I make na to kura tete school bag na say ento no bag na kura nkura bi te polythene bag bi mu na ne books book na books na say obi anto 8 ade de ba ko pe one book no mo e maths wom or ye English wom or ye science wom subject ni nyina no e wo one book mu na wachichim ohun bi da ohun hwe me say wo the da oba me no papa enya hiafo a you have not seen it all yet tinya but na for study because some people have gone through the mill na difficult of farm ni ahoden ni anieden no e na nyankopon ato o nsem e bi o modu ba bi o modu sesie e wanya abotre na wanya abotre na ane hame odwen ho a nipa enye tumi a na ne yire afi nchi nipa nya sika na ne yire afi nchi yen kai ba bia ye free ba minim krofo bi no mu a sensi yayi na danfo bi mpa biribi atwam na onene nam so huna na otika mu mpa enya ade a obewuro glass ni ba say good morning because hunu say ba bi o wo sensi yayi no or a high class or was so and na danfo no dey sensi yayi no otini hianu mu say ente no on person obekasa no humpo side people no so mbe nyam panyin bidi e wa aban mu a omo ye very wicked, they are very greedy and very selfish because omon kai the be what did I make an omon kai the be onipa bia na hwe omfa hiamuda onipa all experience ohia ne ahoche dada no so sa nipa ne obi otimi de na ho che nkrofo hyi mu a den pass nipa ne nya sika obetimi ati na ninkura ma nkrofo ba wo obi a wo munda na won kai a nyankopon de usiye ana wuduru ba bia wanya ba bi baba ngina no so obi hu kire no a wo kai de ofa na mu biribi na wa bo ni bakoro se nyankopon ye wadom na o che obi na wa braba wo bo wadwuma wo ye no sika kakra bamu a hweye na wo nkon wani pe afoforo bi a sebi bi a o ma ho kire no akwa ni mu se bo de no na wade bia na wo de aboa mu hwe time changes oh emre edane se ya ye kan no time changes ba bia bi ni mu fi na yi wankasa obetimi antisika na wakoto mobile phone na bo wedding wankasa obetimi antisika akọ han dan ya wonko na dem air condition TV bom no hwe nipa fira chiri me say nipa binum e fira chiri ba bia o mu fi a na waduru ba bia onu atimu tisika to car no yankopon yodo nyame oyodo na ira me kai wodi me kai wo fa bi muda wa busu afo nyina me kai papa na maame no wa burochire boso me bia so mo sen sika dia ba small boy na makasa wo di sika unya hu ni nyina nwie se siye no ye study because wo nim da ke so asem me nim nkrofo bi a omudi sika pa o ba eduru ba bi no na di omudi mpo na eden hwe empanyimfo se ye nyanyiri ya ensra kotia wonni mo china sem ti you very careful na for study me pa uchaw because se se bia wonni Wouldn't him, wouldn't him the embassy watching. The woman will be a over 25 years. 99 years in a year, Juma. 99 years in a year, Juma. No looking so handsome or beautiful. But when you're 45 years now when you're stroke, I don't want to move. The woman will be that. Bompire said to say Anto, but when you say idea, woman will be another 35 years and not the whole day, they know who they be. When you're 55 years and then you mean in Elfra, or Shadam or who are there, it is there. Woman will be another one day at the age of 35. When you're bare 40, 42 years, when you're accident, you're trying to name you know to feel who be that, who be that. Until I say, baby, I would know, here and one, we don't feel baby, or free over. And he said, oh, be name what Chinasem. O come Kulum Dumasia, the Abia Siho, that be I come anybody and so Panama Kaime Mammy, or say Nipa and Cherry Mia. Nipa and Cherry Mia do the kind and a friend. Nipa and Cherry Mia, Nipa short time, Uber to me and Rama near Bimwa. Over you one and ye. The Maslow says, see, baby, I would be an one boo be an imtia. As I go home, that what the Kaka Semusa, now dress any a Kamasa, now won't be a make a feel in a work at house and you know what the air condition, everything so nice. Why you're very careful. Once will be yes, you make our kind home. Obi a ton could be our kind home. Obi a yet you may feel your kind home. One of your own family be a many pan. Can you because Obi ni much myself. Nipa and Cherry Mia, you're very careful. O to car no more air condition go mu no. Ah baby a wonam kwan no mungu so o Ghana hana. Ho na ye mfuturo no. Na wanya abotre kakra because obi te kwan no ho a. Ono yokogare bi na oton. Said ye be ya obenya ne 20 Ghana cedis. Nti wo di speed vuu na wo bo mfuturo no. Wo te car mu nti mfuturo bi mo. Ba nipa na ote kwan no ho a. Ono ton kube. Oton yokogare no. Wo mfuturo na wo bo anyansa bi anim no. Wo de sei nipa na djuma oye. Wote uka mu no hwe ye wo enjoy wom nso bi ni na mfam ho sa na membu ni pa na nimtia because unni mo chena sem hwe ebinum wa ho kire mu a o ma ho kire no ye too much me say obi wo ha for a whole month na sika ye fe no 10 Ghana cedis na bin to ni bottom. There are people like that in Ghana here for the whole month na 10 Ghana na bin to ni bottom. So they be a make out if unya 1,000 Ghana because see now Saka, unya 500 Saka. For you had the whole month, not 10 cities, not in Sankai. Make out a medicine. A Jumani crowd on your bin away, or say or swallow black crown on your bin away. Some people are going to hell. And I am paying for this idea. Or my imagine say, Omunya, dear Bia, Mo Bia. Anything among for me who chill. You don't have any idea how it feels to be the son or daughter of a poor person. You don't know. You don't have any idea how it feels to be the child of a poor parent. You don't have any idea. Now let me make video do a Facebook guy. Me read a boy. Me kai be a job. I could have your interview, no. I can't make Panama. When I talk about the so be them now. Let me get a number. I can do something to support them. I can't make you. I said, Papa. Almost got a day back up. To our no Eshako school and a pa. And we are none of this as well at the school. And then to Omunjina school, no assembly, no. Then in another time, Quanche baby, to know, Omo Poyano Dimika. Now, be yata, the other Scott, I didn't get money, me and say. On Fanco school, way and child, a current the year, I work Facebook to see it. You were 2021. And that I didn't go out. And Papuan so Shannon obey na or their money mia. Na dia ba kwa ye sad and say enkra no omunyenta afo. Panyin no body say ketwa. Tenenta ya ne mpa wo yima ketwa na utu say aye kese wa no ho. Ba eno no mo che. Hwa wono uba ba ko ne school tade be 6. Ne mpa bo ahodo o hye. Bebire o ko school pa na wo tuka de ne ko. O ka so bia na nya ne sa. Obi wo ha na tade na hye ne so tade no. Eye ba ko pe. Ne mpa bo ye ba ko pe. Eno ono nkwa na hye wo. One ni nua e na hye. ndo ne ko school no pa na ne nua no so ko school awia na oba no yima no a na ono so ahye e wo Facebook so me hu video me twa say when na wo mo number at least obi ati send me over money kaka de mo a it can change their life. The American say wunim the biasem wunim ochinasem. Some people are going through difficulties. So when you wa don na wo take care mu na wo fie e very calm. Wo ceiling fan wom, wo air condition wom, fie wo apart from room no, wo living room, wo sa wo kitchen. Dan wo nyina wo tota bafu wo ma he enye obi na anya ne sa o. Wo ko obi fie a ni kunu ne yere ne ma be nan no omo one single room. Omo one single room. One single room. Empire si won e go packet we bi single bed na ma me ne papa nda so. Na mon kura no mother from wontini entuma bi a very old no. Na mo dia se from enwure eno so mo beda ansana de achi. Bi ni ase de wonya no. Enye obi na nya ne sa. Ti hu so obi hu kire no a. Hweye na wambu na nimtia. Se wo mwa bi a betimi di aboa na. E pa to fa boa. Because ohia ni di eya. So kai enoma bi ato bi atwam. Ahoche bi a wo fam. Some difficulties bi a wo fam. So oba kai we mu nyina yi a. Oba ye very careful pass so hu so bi hu kire no a. Oba boa no. Me say obi ni kunu ne manya no omo da one single room and ankura no guda mu. Na ahemachi ebo ba ye tre ne papa na ne ti a. Aduane ne mane be di akosugu adapa no ene no mo dwene ho. Hwe obi wo ha gare ene wo fie. Gare o. See, unhu ni nyina wie yo. Me say gare no mo wo fie. Na sugar kwa na obeto agu gare nim. Omo ni to omo ni gare ni gu nsuo mu a omo de nchene ene tum no magi. Ebia na de mekai o se obi a me exaggerate. I am telling you there are people like that. Why are looking at what Gary Bell look at me? You see on your net. And we are one and crown Sikabi any ho. Sikabi any ho. The Gary Bino, the Bagoon Zoom, no more than Jenka Klebiatum. Now for test, no more to me. There are people like that. Some people are going through serious difficulties. Now, none of the Tennessee are now here. Sika wa mind way, nyango pongcha wa chai adie se adie bia na wa asase we su a e ma omanya fofo di sa oman we ebi wom me se ewia se kuro bia obekoso adie wo sa kuro nu mu ama omo di ye oman we ebi wom e gold na obeka na ye wo bi e diamond e bauxite eye timber, ye wo cocoa, ye wo coffee, ye wo cashew. Adie ben na man afoforo wa ye nibi. Bibi eto me 11 years ago na omo kan na other place no more oil. Eye petrol na ye nibi. Say be ye 10 years ni ye wo petrol ye tu Ghana ha. Ghana ye tu nchini onim, ye tu nchini wa ha. Aluminium wa ha. Bibi bia ni ho Nyankopon de ma o man bia wasase be so Ghana ha yi ye nibi. Ye will be, and so you won't say and poto because say crofok clear beer. Ya di omo di ya nim say go omo wana no man to yi no. Omo nya o madwen say ombe yi bibia yi. Some people are going through problems. Eba mo tia brochire. Wa brochire o ba no yarefo a aban na hwe no. Menim say monim. Owo akora no yarefo aban na tia ne ka ehwe no. Man wa brochire muni hwe the way I clone a tia no ata what trans wanya very careful we be kan nsem a wan be ya asem e be firi wa no be ba no e be ya atem didi and some of us no we don't encourage that you know and a little bit careful hwe na say ya me firi akwantu mo me buy I spend only 1 month out there Ghana na me take and me I'm okay with the situation no whatever it is no you be me kakra sa ye wom. But I just spent only 1 month out there. and it be pia na me to ade me to ade na obi frɛ me so e wo de ade ahia me na me ntimi nkofie nkofa ka na me so ma me ntra taxi na me ngo hia nipa kwa na me full taxi say ma me hia nipa na me nye de kodie na me nya tra car mu no re taxi no emo ye fi emfuturo guan diga me ya be ka na ka emo ye fi sa na bi so no wo ye sa be nipa na feel bad ni ma me ntra mu sa and I me chok one side anything abusia ya kona ye du animu emfuturo se kumo na se mata o ka no air condition what boss no air condition mu na air condition unya ya gas no na bo ade na di patru sinti no air condition na miema na me check is a very short distance emfuturo abo mi ti ho ni manim no so me ti kenem say eh so it means that all this one among for multi area ha nyina na omo futuro ne taxi air conditioning no this is what they go through every day and futuro nko so that means that me was sending for multi area so what dan e ben kwai we ho a wo dan mu ohia ni air conditioning them ebaya dan no botimi atena sa dan mu ashata the fita with this kind of dusty area na moten me say me call ye enduru be say 5 miles I mean be 3 miles and I take me call ya me buy ni timu nyina ye futuro o man no ye say ye ni sika o ye wo sika Ghana hay obi bia wo Ghana bia ni ye kokokokoko enfuturo nko a enfuturo na say na me kana homete ayo wo so egeze ye ni sika ye wo sika ni pa ka kire bi omudi ye nim no omo na asha da so se twim omo asha da so se twum only few people within 4 years no ba mu nipa oba power no 4 years na watimi asifie baako be ye 9 sa nipa me kan bo so me sika ye tua no endu 15,000 Ghana cedi bo so me so a even a buy no president kwa na hene ma no ebe 20,000 and 25,000 within 4 years no be at to fie mako and 9 ubebi sa ho say sika no hene finti a nipa no atimi adi ye preko pesa no ade wa me very and take oil and think oil and they be free water go net to get and think oil okay the American say hwe nipa kakra bi o only few people per na skala kogodi omo and the aban the bar ne ministers akoso ya be 100 120 omo plaster house akoso bi 1,000 and no achi DC ne nkwa ne ba no omo nyina together no omo nduru 10,000 ti emi kan you me say aban ne ba so wa ne ministers omo do so ya bi abeze 120 and 130 ya be 130 omo ya adwuma directly under the aban no ya plaster house no makwa ya be 1,000 1,500 wodi DC phone na MCD phone na ka ho o kan nya de bomu a MCD phone ka wodi nya bomu a ho omo nduru 10,000 but I'm telling you say o man is kan nyina na sa ankrofo nko na ekuram no omo ena manage bibia within 4 years no na wasi fie 4 wato fie be 5 but within these 4 years no na teacher ni a ono da bi okwa adwuma o bre no kira de no na oni 1,000 Ghana at the council. Now we are making any only current government do. The previous government did the same thing. Me say previous government did the same thing. 4 years onya he no na wato fie be 3 4 na V8 or be 3. I know what I'm saying. By our country now obi oye nurse ni obi oye teacher ni the whole 4 years and only 1,000 Ghana at an account soon. I am telling you the truth. So my way, a month will be what should or more. Some people are in dire need of little support. So when ya, but nipa ka crabby and a man is coming in a crop. Me say within 4 years of the rap baymono, or better be it by a million, fear by a 9, no what to talk. O baby side is coming a free. Sasa kana ko di nipa kakra bi nsam no se ya gubu so obi anya bia ebe ma obi biye nya kakra sa ohia buburo no eso bete hwe biribi atwam na China na nipa ho kire omo a se si amehwe news bi enchai omo se omo sa omo hia eya poverty rate no eso ate be ya 70% e China because home payifo nya sika na omo gu sika num e ma bia ko ba bi kakra just imagine opanimu bi ono bakoto V8 baako V8 bet $100,000 no e ko be 6 billion e 600,000 Ghana cedis I mean new one no 6 billion no ono no V8 baako na auto no sa 6 billion no se nipa be se 100 betimi a benefit from sa sika no but ono baako for no V8 be 4 5 ana hia for no be bire time and the eba beto aba na ma no 10 cedis a nipa no ono be the whole bank no ohun 5 cedis yani ntu ma ne 10 cedis e wo dom no abusia me dia ya me ya o at times ohun tenase din na wo hwe no ma bi e koso a wunti mu blame one person yen kasa na ya timamufo na nkasa no adwem bone ye wo ye timo no ye ya adwem ye be san ye anyway ana oban panyifo no hu sam krofo no omo agimi omo ni nyansa ti ye maintain the status quo enye sa see ti asamba ko bi aban panyifo no said the system na tie na emra nya dwuma bibia ye basa no e favor omo wonu bi ka mekan o tax o tie nyina ye indirect taxes nko an so okoto nsu a de obetia okoto nku de obetia otokre de obetia ni order but say direct tax we tua no ntua bi okay o man bia no a eya o man ye serious wa obi bia na wo ya adwuma wo nya income o man no no utia indirect tax and then direct taxes abankro for ni say amonfo etua indirect taxes direct one no omundumo nye omu pedise nka hosa because brand ya adwuma na be den a omu kro no omu bo osoro ho no omuntini mo bio anything no system say the tie no be say enka hosa omu na benefit say the system na ye no nti ono ye MP na say e bia adwuma bi na eba na area investor bi ba na waje 10% no da share bottom system no entimu enquire ni pa no there wouldn't be any investigation to or person system yes ah to one out to one the whole month unya 1,000 to bottom no ono wato fie baako atoka baako within 3 months to or person system yes ah na me kan to kra na bia Ghana hankwa na omo yes anke ho omo to fie wa buruchire or the makwa buruchire omo ko school e ho na na yerete so at the end of the day no so oni amanu kra bi mu a ehia ni bio but obi wo ha do obi di a day a problem. So people are so bitter. They say me share the cost of Facebook social media fix the country now. See, they tell you say our leaders need to understand say people are going through difficulties. Say I attempt na echo. E better Bible enya attempt it could be anything else. Until I'm paying for you very careful. From the beginning of the year, and I can say this year number 5. Number 5 comes along with a lot of stuff. If be honest, I say I rise and name all those things, you know. Now, new system will try to overthrow old system. What can I deal with? So what can I make kind? I emphasize that number 5, you know, unexpected events. Now, new system will try to overcome old system or overthrow old system. Okay? Ghana higher take for me in fake a clemency. One no why I walk do say we betimi bi wa no we di asante hene atem that tie ne ye make for humanity dey make any me say me nyi ahi bia o ba me mfi kakra bi amadi e wa Ghana ha wo woni hwan a we betimi bi wa no aka asem a even ese atem die e de kire asante hene wona mfi kire ba bi na wo asante ni bi kura wo ha wusuro wuntimu enka asem bi a ese atem die e ma ne nkotia asante hene me se enja ahibia o Ghana hey wo wuti wakura ase wona mfikire ba bi na wo se asante ni bi kura wo na bia wo kan asem bi a ese atemdie nya atemdie ese atemdie e de a kire asante hene a o te kokoso a na usuro by nay obi temu de camera si nanim boldly e di dinatem e na o kire wo say amanfo anya manadu mo ha afun krofo. People are fed up with the system. And see, when people are fed up with the system, no, it's a volcanic eruption. Adia be a to whom na etu whom sa baby a command and koyi. To say it will be and nipa baako nipa bebrebe omutim fa mic si o manim camera si o manim na omu dia sante hinatem omu dia hifo atem a that should tell you sir people are fed up. People are fed up. Na yem pay for all my way mu no. I will tell them say omo hwe ba bia de ne ko no. No munya de bi nso anontem. Enye so me counteractive bibia na momom try say amanfo nsem omo ka no mo beti. Yeah. Amanfo are complaining for a very long time. People don't pay heed. People don't listen. Our leaders don't listen. Afunu krofo na afunu krofo sana afa di obahu say ye ka monte ye be didi matem na omo sha say omu di atem no you can see say everybody's attention has been drawn and panyinfo no den omo reacted to the insult. So what it means is say all this while na you to no complaining about no man e so enye no na panyinfo no te but na omo mfa ho. See, me Jana, I am a very objective person, a very observant. I use my intelligence. Me mfa ba adwen enyensem hunu, me sua de, me pay attention to things. Say amanfo are complaining about the state of Ghana for a very long time. Na ye muso bibia ka hu bibia no one cares. But adru ba bia amanfo edidi atam no. Afeni ye muso mpanyifo sana all this while. And someone na ye mu bi ka na ebinu ka no. Na omote but na eyiye omonti no monya ho hwe no. By atam ni de ba no. Many of these leaders now out about say atam na mu di ye no yate, which means say before atam na be ba no na nsempa na ye ka na ye de stress empanyifo se no ma no na omote ba no omomfa ho. So now you to na be hu say ye ka asam ne boko a empanyifo ne bete omonya ho hwe ye de chaw pakwa omuntie na emum say ye di omatam a they will listen. No, I am telling you say atam no ebeye more. When you will be a psychologist and you understand what I'm saying. Empanyifo ka say me say opam ohufo a wo to the berima eya kan kasa opam ohufo a wo to the berima they can say obi oya very timid, obi very weak, oni ahoden, oya very a fearful person. Sadi panu pam na wo panabon oba pam na panabon na wo dwane apo dwane ya gogoduru ba bia e bia wall bi wo ha onya ba bia nwane nko wo hu sumasi e me ye ne abo no ba bo mentima menye de betimi na wa tie gina yanko. That is the time I will be who say sadi pana da bia na osuro na wo dwane no na ne hu e den sin timpanyfo say wo pam ohufo a wo to ne berima. So the youth has been complaining for a very long time. Enya di bia di yo ya kwan enye ya tra trotrum ya tra taxi trotro no esinim taxi no esinim ya nam kwan so enfuturo nkwanti adwuma na mekwa obeduru adwuma mu no na ho fi nyina poto adwuma na wo kwa obenante afiri fi aduru kwan ho a obenya taxi na trotro mata no wona si nyina ya enfuturo nkwa. So the youth has been complaining about this. Panimo no free fi out in the V18 ni get problem na be ama ntino na nan enka fam o tu ni car o go straight to the office. Now o do the office where office no air fully tiled, fully air conditioned, ni bia e kama. Panimo no ennim di amanfo air fam wase ho. Just imagine say what gonna be a local program be local meeting. Now 190 3 minutes na umpa gwa ho nyina ya mfuturo call. Then I'll be afei na wo be gina say obi empolish ma. And afei na wo do hanky ebe baso. Wo ye panimu a put yourself in the shoes of these people and you will understand the kind of difficulty and the pain some poor people are going through. This is see now. Ghana ha you obi owo tumi kese pa ya sante kene. I'm telling you one thing. Even though the Nado and our president and Oson, Ghana ha ni pa owo tumi manfo so na nim. I'm telling you sante kene. I'm just being sincere. Because I'm taking from kingdom no or my ya man I can say I'm not true be a kingdom so you cannot challenge me on this. So if say nipa binum enya akukoduro etimu didi asante hinatema that should tell you say the youth are fed up, and when people are fed up I am telling you they can go any extra mile to do anything. They paying for any study. Now when you're very careful. Now no man no omo handle no mayi. And yes sir, what the youth are doing, you know, and ya de papa. No kura me can say all this while and some among for can omo beg for ordinary things like road. Fix our road. Ye nyansuo no wa ha. Ye area light no enya papa. Ha no ye nyeba bi ntena yi. Ha ye ni toilet wa ha. All these basic things, you know, among for complaining for only God knows since when. Na ye kasem payifon enti. Na ye nto omo ntio. Sa no mo te. Omo fa ho atamba mu wie ya dia. Sa na payifo all this one, you know, omo te bibia. Atam no omo mpe. Ye didi atami e no ma sha ase a omani abre den ya omo kasa fa ho. So it means all this one, they now man for complaining and I'm paying for no more thing. No take care and put your money now. Feel free empty no or the air condition come from me fear to a room to fear. That be a so cold. The one now come on foot to a bow. Okay? The way I mean pay fee. Seven papa apartment, none of way fee. The way I meant pay. Now by having them pound and foot to a month for no more. But a very nice lady or quite room dressing nice. All nothing is free about our canoe and foot of an antimono. Then papa whom they fee. But who can say ya? Now be on you here near 7 premiers. You are no declare anything as I'm foot to make on their hand. Insist of it, Tiasiano. No, no mum ever be do what I'm thinking, say, be at the Wokano. It's here the political party. The Americans say, and paying for no, or when you're very careful. This year, 2021. And your number 5. Now your number, you say a year of unexpected events. Unexpected event. Transi ya mini edu jum first you. Hwe normal you see this year as many unexpected things I see. One other cardinal thing is said, new system will try to overthrow old system. Asante kingdom no nye adeketo obi anka se otu asante hene ba wo hwe famu omode papa na nimu ye na inda le se bi etu ade so tieniye new system. The youth are so bold to say and some of can people have me tear them tsunami am shishime, but I do understand the influence of the number 5 is at play. And it's affecting Obi Piano or system num. Anything that the youth can speak their mind without fear or favor. Now the Americans say, and paying for many now almost saw them and yet the bonnie be no be beside. For instance, Yankasa Yan Sua Ada no more pimne. And swooning in our essay. A galamse and essay soon. And they can have swoop be any other one. So the youth are not asking for anything that is, impossible. Anything impossible in the movie, almost a galam say, excuse me, young guy, you should anyone take. Yapan, I am foot through now, ya nama ya brand, Montana, final. And get someone miss Sikao, some politician back or a minister. within 4 years obetime nya fie mako 8 car mako 4 na compensate nipa mako by 100 and something na omo ministers no so obi enya the same thing na that sika ye ka bo mu a then na ntum nya wo Ghana. So I'm telling you say baby adene kono empayinfo no enye study no mu the way on to no man. People are not asking for anything and you doable. Medium foot will go and have an foot through. Na se nsuo kotoso ne ya na bibia ya kekye nko a e ba nsi ha adwen na mpanyifo no emfamu bi omo mfamu bi ntino omunim one person betumi hold sika na within 4 years was if you wato fie be 5 huh 4 years na onya minister no and obey MP no o fie be 5 cars be 3 baby cars onya sika no wo he wo so mesu ahe ye tia oka nti say sika na onyae no ba bi bi afiri ye bia no say sika no ekwa aban no ho a ke betimi mama na sesa enti na manfo o mo ntega na ha na mo wabuchi no o mo ye bold no mo di atem o ba kwache no obi o ti America obi o ti UK obi o Germany o di atem o ba kwa na kwache no wona ha de tieriye o tega na ha ya ye betata te sie no na chance la betu sie a ba o te aburo chire ko na kwache no ha de kwache no enye ye o pam ohufu a o to ne berima obi e da mabuwo ohu na no chesi na na odwane mabuwo ande o ba pam ni panana o beduru ba bi onya ba bi anfa no o ba dan nani kume that time na be mu say ohufu say o pam na no jiga no ho ade. So the youth are fed up. You know, like I'm saying, me no, I will not advise anybody say obi near them. Me I guess I mean to be near them. Huh? And I don't just say me who so be near them and I me ni pa no ko to ko. Me e bi I mean to be near them. Obi be ti near di. Ti asem bi he. Wono wonya boxer. Undimi enko. Undimi emboxe. Ba utimi tu sika na wo de ko stadium. Na wako hwe boxing na amanfo elbow. So it means say ade bi o ha obi ya wonya bidie nso obakọ hwe. So some of us cannot insult people because they didn't get that idea no. But there are people that ombedi atem. Na wuti atem pa. Hwe ma hwe guy ba ko bi a friend of fire from above. David fire from above or Germany or Frankfurt thing. Hey, a brand any life or no. Obedi watem mbom se wodi watem. Na ni nyina na obeble mu hwan empayinfo na ye beble mo because a man for all this for a very long time. Basic amenities as ye nye ye bedi aban mu 4 years na ye kwa 8 years na ye kwa na ye yesi ya tam but now man na ye beto ye no say ye beto ye no either say ye beja na saako ana e be ye west na ni beka kra na e ba aban mu no obi aye yesi twem huh no obi aye yesi twem see NDC for buy on baby 8 years or more. Say no more tea or maybe buy more no more corner. Say, maybe honest here, if you be out to the idea on within 8 years. Can be soon. The American will be on the Cafu, I wouldn't say the American, the Crewum, but will be your MPP in the NDC, and I'll be hey, may say NDC for bar power. 2008 or move free to 2016. Say maybe we Ghana highly say yeah all those people are no more omudi NDC nanim aban mu no na ya fifi obi ade mu baako anga Ghana nko obi abesu say ya check obi a say wo buy no wo ye MP bo so me ye tuaka 13,000 wo no ye CEO bo so me ye tuaka say wo no ye wo ye den all this wo ye DC bo so me ye tuaka say yes, ye verti obi ya sa pa na ya hwe anu mama ya kayi na ye besu Ghana ha because the baka kra no they will amass so much wealth na anu ya MP for ba so 2017 ya to sa 2020 ya to abai sa 4 years ye ka say all among for mo say MVP abai mu nyina ye de omu nyina to no ya verti omo ne yɛn ho sɛ ɛwo every month bi asika sɛ na wɔkye yɛhwehwɛ obi adeɛ mu a nka wo ne me ka yɛde sɛ gu yɛ ti general yesu ka yɛnya yesu nipa kakraa bi they are mass wealth ɔmo yɛ yie sɛ tam ɛna ɔman mafoɔ no ɔmo kɔ di la ɔmo to aba no hia na ehi ɔmo na ɔmo yɛ na ɛyɛ tan na me de yɛ bɛ yɛ akora ne sɛ wode wo kaa ba bɛduru port hɔ no duty nko a wobɛtua no yɛ mbɛhyew kaa na wode aba no ɔmo de ɔmo yɛ ne sɛ ɔmo nsan na fa wura kuro no kɛkɛ wode kaa no wura kuro no mu a wobɛkɔ DVL akɔ register kaa wobɛtua yɛ nhwɛ no order kaa na ɔmo de ba bɛwura kuro no mu no sika wobɛtua nko a no yɛ mbɛhyew aska wenim nyinaa meyɛ na meka na yɛde yɛ ade papa bi a ka hwan na mpɛ sɛ ɔman a wotim na ɔman no kwan nyinaa yɛ kama mfuturo bi anim nsuo tɔ asakyɛ bi anim gata bi a ne nsuo tɔ awo mu sɛ nsuo kora atɔ ɔman a metim yi light off esi so saa ne boɔ so nhyɛ da nyɛ den nti ahuro wɔn wɔ so wɔ AC internet yi baabia ne bo wɔ fam hwan na mpɛ okɔ hospital a bibia yɛ neat akama hwan na mpɛ okɔ sukuu mu a bibia yɛ kama hwan na mpɛ Ghana ha yɛ hospital yɛ sɛ ɛyɛ good pa yɛ kama pa no wo de kɔ aburokyire a enkraman kora hospital kora no ɛyɛ kama sen no na ade me say yɛ ha yɛ hospital yɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nice no wo de kɔ aburokyire a ɔmo advance ɔho ɛmoa kora hospital no ɛyɛ kama sen no na ɔbɛbisa ho sɛ nti yɛ ni sika na yɛ ni sika yɛ go sika papa yɛ go sika because yɛ te sika so na ɛkɔm de yɛ te sika so na ɛkɔm de yet gold so it's diamond so yet oil so aluminium bauxite timber be bia so na come there na dey and this guy anyhow only few people that's getting nyina kokodi omo so the masses suffer for the few and the few enjoy on behalf of the masses. This is the system. The men no can say okay so if you were not the son or the daughter of poor parents you have not seen it all yet. You're very careful to the point say oba wa wo fufuro wa wo fufuro na ne ba no mo nyam paso na no mo de fom na ya akwana to plastic chair mu esi wo Ghana this year 2021 21st century we you see I get a sika anyhow me say sika wo ha sika e wo ha na wo bia ono na nsɛm mote ya one man bia Mr. of Plaza House bia finidin omo se na yere echo report no ma se court so the BBC on the jawa je na japade obobo japade a waye within 4 years obebi sa se nipa no adan na then oye onyesika no he within 4 years obi ono se oye BBC secretary whatever I don't know the name within 4 years ajapade a waye no ndu bebi say na obi ono was a small position no ana atima yewe na ono obi o ye senior minister na o ye sa mpanifo bi dia na obetumi aye so nipa kakra bi no enjoy so much on behalf of the masses. That is a problem. This academy sika de wo ha sika e wo ha na emom kakra bi fo no na enjoy and adodo na ebre okay did the American can say mpanifo e the youth to ebisa na nya ade bia na ye eden. It is not something that is not doable. These things are very very doable. Akwan wo ye beye yi obi be se cement no e Ghana ha abo no ye tu ha anwa no ye tu ha de antika mom no ye ma ye ko ka kwan no ene ne ye ne eden okwa benso eden okwa benso anti Ghana ba bia mfuturo saa ha wo horo ka se sie e se bia wo ko ba bi wo so ka ho kama unya horo ka na wo be ko ani ma cha bia be 10 minutes no na ka de nyina sa ye feedback adentia because ba bia 5 be 1 minute no e ye mfuturo di ka ni nyina ho ye fi ke me kan na sika ni Ghana ha ene ka ye mpanyimfo no e bia me ka wo ni bibia wo ni da VAT mu ni all those things na ye beti ase but omo to cars many cars within 4 years omo to fie many houses within 4 years. It means that sika no wo ho na sika no yentimo channel no yie na enko da ho enko the base ho na emboa. That is only thing. I'm saying be the American say wo na o ma me no papa nya hiafo a And what I'm saying this year is number 5. Our leaders should be careful because number 5 comes with unexpected events. Number 5 comes with unexpected events and new system trying to overthrow old system. Please, in paying for should listen to this advice. You should try to solve domana you to make canon. And no more demand for Yinani and no more a doable. Omon try na sika na omudi gu omutomu no omon ka say enough is enough. Ye me eni yam pomp sika no system num na ye nya ade be ma manfo ani age. Because me say me so no pa na kwan da manim ha yomagu ni nyina de kwa akosi kromu a ebeye na manenye. Mani beje mitumi ka wo fie na mahoro ho a meko adwuma officer ba no ka ne ho ye fi. Say me so me nika na me say me nante akokwa ho a ya gumi kwan emfuturo bia ni ho. Tinya afi na me dwe me mpabo ho ya ebeye fi. Ebana sa hwan na empe. Hwan na empe. Na me say bibia enya nya omom a ye wo this year 2021 mu asante hin otumfo se nipa bitimo tena fidie so boni din na tamo a that should tell you say people are fed up. Share your platform be our Facebook e find Kumerican. So na say din e beto Kumasi Kumerican na amanfo di achi no. Omo platform be our Facebook. Do obi ko tire bi afa asante hene ni picture what dress kama go to leather and sa. And omo twa Kumasi ba bi di ato ase. And omo sign dey Dubai omo kin no omo de to ho no omo di Dubai so picture eto ase. And na nipa ni bisa say omo me ni nyina ya ahemfo. Omo nyina awuru for a long time. So omo hwe we wo gold, we ni gold oil pen no omo do obi akuro. So me ka say me kwa ase akokan comment ho. I was shocked many a times. Ngo obi onya santini, obi abi ameke onya santifo enye very good na se bi ko na so okasa tia asante hene a ana ondwe hu yi. But because our platform so many of the members there are real indigenous Asantes no. Atama no omudi asante hene no. In fact me wera hoyi. Bibisa mo say what? Aduru say amanfo edi asante hene a na tamwa na asantefo ankasa anka bibi atwam. Omuntimu emmu bembo mani nti omo hene no. They are so bold say ombetumi atwere comment edi asante hene atama omo ya asantefo dia. And there na unexpected event na number 5 de ba no. Asha asia eya adwuma dendende. And you're very careful, like from near September, October, hono, na atam die no, na quite different level. Timpa info the American say, Mama yen tie at the youth to nekan. Yan your more bitterness and the omo come was no. The omo be saying I normal o ye be ye. Na yan fa no man to na kwam na yen timunya na no man ye. E ba ne sa obi a ye. Hwe galamse ya ye 2 year ye ka. I said e bi mun tie. Nipa kakra bi na benefit from the gold. Ka wonim say Ghana ye gold nya ye 2 a. Ghana ban any up to 2% ewo. But what would you be wonim say adem? Me say wonim say Ghana ye gold nya ye 2 a. Ghana ban emfa so e wo mu na share wo mu no enduru 2%. Which means say ye 2 gold they got 10 billion Ghana cedis. Ghana bind the woman and drew 2%. And yet 20% too. And drew 2%. And until you go to no mutuno. Nina a concro ho. But go to no mutuno so as say yensu. The yana yan benefit every go to no mubi biano. Yan ye best suffer the consequence of this galamsey. May say, Opa, go online and go and Google now. Say Ghana, you go to no year to know. Ghana buying the end new 2%, 1.4 something percent, a new 2%. May say, a new 2%. And to young swing say, and I will be a Wako Galamsey area, and I'm mining area, but be your 2 mining be a crone and yet. Now go move to Sikanum Ponu. And ka area wa kwan omunsuo omu school ni all those things ka omunya ne gam no opa ko Kenya ase ne ko hwe ade ko bo ase ko ba bia ye tu gold ne ko hwe sika no mu tu ni nyina omonye bibia wo area ho even kwan no mpo a omoye akoba bia mining site no won kwan no omungu emfuturo because omoka no soso de wo mu a na omo di so akopete so omonye kwan no kota kwan na ko hwe ade kwan no omonye omesi hospital ade fun bi no besi azi ho esuku no be ya ade fun bi ti ba bi omo tu gold na omo cyanide ne mercury essence no omo ni kaprewu Ghana government doesn't even have up to 2% of all the gold royalties that omo tu Ghana ha oni enso asey nsuo nyina na se sia hunhu ebedru ba bi no a yensuo no ebe fully contaminated with cyanide and mercury no a cancer betia to say a baby bia mine wo amanfo ni be frefra cancer ni be yet say jollof no ho na obehu say biribi ya twa na nkofo bi kasafo galamsey ho no let's pay attention to it me kind of go do ye yetu ye di siesi ye kuro mu kama ena ochina bi ehunsunsu anso eba ye zumpa nkan hayen gold no mu tu e sha sa say mu tu ni nyina ye nim up to 2%. And until ye nyam up to 2% no, identity ye nyai ma gold no enchicha asase no so. Because they say no, say asase, say ye nsuo, nti e bedru ba bi no. Koko no kura na ye no. Enko ba bi a o. No be hu de me kan make. E bedru ba bi asase no, mercury ni kobu no. Koko no enyi a, mercury no koko no pus no. The cocoa no beans no, e be contaminated. World market, they will reject it. Cash will be the same thing. The bedroom by bino, now you gold to Nina answer. Ya nyabio because na endru 2%. Amount for bottom neko. Now you are ya bebre won sum, ye cocoa be say, ye cash will be say, after in sue no, this say importo. Hana bong sa sa bibini Ghana ni no. Ni Jimmy no e bokiti ba ko. Ni Jimmy no bokiti pa kakaka ba ko e na tamu twem. Wo hwie gu a wo so hwie. You can't say I be a woman, but I'm telling you, say gold na yetu no. And the yenye be free man guy hame. Ghana government, the share of the gold royalties no enduru 2%. When him say, ya you na yetu no, oil na yetu no. Ya percentage you know say enduru 3% kura. Oil no omutu ni na wi a. Ghana dey enduru 5%, me dey something below 3% of that. Because oil no, a Ghana any abe yetu oil no. Yet the answer is 3% the same thing. Huh? Anyway, me say, you're paying for no bit to me the money yes you at stop galamsey a beboa. Tete na omutu galamsey o. So na en say nsuo bia. Se sia galamsey na aba se sia ni de esay ade esay nsuo esay asase. Nti aban en stop obi o tu galamsey. Even some mining I can say you nyina stop omo because new month no money Anglo gold no area no mu to gold then no mayama area off one. Huh? Me say Anglo gold new month all these big mining giants no area no mu to gold no ko Boase ko Takwa ko all these places no oko memu no mu a all the Kenya se no mu a then no my area won't tell you more quite or monk no gold is a or more 3 years no Ghana government obenya less than 2%. That's Calomunia a concourse for people individuals in whom they have big money anything or monk no galamsey or mining the beer free. Abusia, let them see ya. The bay Musuna sign and go point with the bay in Shana don't fanum. Oh, I may say go on Facebook to see your group. A friend of Friends of Transformation 108. So I group no on the page ha no betimi commenting kwa untimi post to bibia wa ha. E ho de a very interactive obetimi post to bibi. Nti wo ko ha wo type Friends of Transformation 108 and no enya like e join. O join here you be accept o. Me ba jo unse accept o what you do is say you put a nice picture with your name any group kura wo o say dia me wo US group 51, we were 14, and I'm UK group, and I'm a Ghana group, and I'm a Libya, and I'm a Bemobia, and I'm a within a picture, and then area crying out one. na very interactive ebi kura na wɔ question bi a wobɛ post to hɔ a me hu a metumi answer na some of us senior members a ɔmo di yɛ akyi ɔmo nim some of the answers to the questions no they will come there and then respond to it o bi a yɛ inspiration na bibi anaba pastor obetumi post to hɔ members will like it they will comment under it like that a very interactive platform you know go on Facebook type Friends of Transformation 108 see I mean no say you broke more than 2,200 members now they will call now be a create any fake Friends of Transformation 108 that if anyone see I mean no say and now 1st June 2021 no you broke 2,200 there be a later our video maybe by December or by na okwana will be a create na 2021 because a name I 1st June 2021 na mesi nipa wo yeboro 2,200 ti ye ko ye ne be dodo ti no mesi wo ko ho na wo ko akọ setia hwe ni ye say numbers na wo ho no e ko soro afan se si ye 1st June 2021 no ye be kwa ye be duru ye ni se bi a be se July mu no na ye ko be 4,000 di ye be duru be se December na number no ko animu ti na bi a later wo be video later kora na hwe ni ye na wan kwanko join any fake Friends of Transformation 108 page bi ada me group bi a me da mun na se no nya me ntena why yankopɔ yɛ madom a yɛbɛsa ne mo ayɛ akasa bi bye bye.